guys, today we'll be making an adorable bow, perfect for a New Year's celebration. What you will need, I have the large Burlap bow maker, I have some bow wire, black ribbon which is 2 3/4 inches in width. This was purchased at Joann's. I got this 5/8 inch width pretty sheer silver ribbon from Walmart. And then I have 1 inch wide white ribbon. Also scissors. Let's get started. First thing we want to do is fold our bow wire in half and place it down in the center of our Burlap. Now I have a 28-inch long piece of my black ribbon. I fold in half to find the center, and I'm going to scrunch. So fold in half, bring the front and the back up, and place it down. I'm going to repeat this step with the white and silver pieces. Okay, you can always use your wand to scrunch everything together. We have one of each of the 3 colors. And again, you can modify this as much as you'd like. You can change the color, the size, how many tails, how many loops. It's completely up to you. Just have fun with it and make it your own. And this is floral ribbon, so it's not as manipulative as wire edge, but it still looks really pretty. So I'm going to scrunch one in, place it down. And because this is the floral ribbon, it moves a little more. So as soon as I get it placed, I'm going to put my wand in place. And I'm not measuring when I make my loops. I'm just kind of estimating. You are free to measure if you choose to do so. But it always looks so cute, so you don't really have to measure it. Okay, so I have the first side down. And I'm just going to take my roll and kind of just estimate a similar size loop for the other side. Scrunch and place it down. Just like that. Okay, so I'm going to do the same step again to make 2 more loops. And cut. If you do use gross grain ribbon, it will be easier and stiffer, so it won't move. The ribbon won't move as much. The satin will be a little easier than the floral ribbon, but it won't be as easy as the gross grain. So whatever you choose, just be mindful of it. But if you have colors that just look so cute, then just make it work. Now I'm going to repeat the same steps that I just completed with the black ribbon with this white ribbon. Because there's not a right and a wrong side, so I'm not having to twist my ribbon. If there was a right and a wrong side, I would have to twist each time I went from side to side. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Instead of just scrunching it and placing it down, I would have to scrunch it and twist and then place it down if the ribbon was like right and wrong side. But this one is not, so I don't have to worry about that step. And I also wanted to use the balloon ribbon since I'm making this bow for a New Year's wreath. I just feel like the balloon ribbon is like very celebratory and it just looks so cute and fun. When I use the balloon ribbon, I do keep the tabs cut longer so that it doesn't slide out, because with this ribbon, again, it can easily slide out and you don't want your bow coming apart. So just make sure you cut your tabs a little longer than you normally do. And again, repeating the same steps with the smaller silver ribbon. And since it is skinnier, I mean, you can't really even scrunch it because it's so small. But I think I may make a few more loops since it's thinner, so we'll see what it's looking like. Okay, so I have 6 loops of my silver. I'm going to go ahead and cut it there. So next thing you're going to do, take your bow wire, the 2 open ends inside of the loop. Hold your bow in place and give it a nice tug. I'm just going to tie it a couple of times. And I'm not going to cut the bow wire because I'm going to use it to attach to my wreath. But I'm going to come back to the front and kind of just like maneuver my tails a little bit. You can add as many or as few tails as you'd like. Again, as many or as few loops as you'd like. This is your chance to just have fun with it and make it your own. But I think it looks so cute, fun, and festive. Perfect for the new year. So I'm just going to take a piece of bow wire, tie it in a knot, place it down in the center. Then we're going to come to the back. Make sure your bow wire is still one on either side, and then just tie the ribbon in a knot, just like that. And if you were to use wire edge ribbon, you could definitely like the silver is wire edge, you can kind of manipulate it more, as you can see. So if you were to use wire edge for all the ribbon, you can manipulate it a little bit more and kind of roll it out and make it more round, kind of like round it out if you choose to do so. But I think this one is so cute and precious. Now we're going to add it to our wreath. I still have the bow wire at the back so that I can easily attach it to my wreath. It's so cute, fun, and festive. You can make whatever bow you choose, or you can leave off the bow altogether. To tie this to the top of my wreath, just moving it over to find the stem. And I'm going to tie the bow wire in a bow. I like to tie it in a bow so that I can kind of move it around and adjust it if I need to. I like to tie it in a knot as well. It's completely up to you. Adjust everything again. And once you get it tied, you are all done. So cute, precious, and festive. You can add a sign to the center. You can add more bows, ribbon, tassels, whatever you'd like. Completely up to you. Just have fun with it and make it your own. You can leave the ends like this, or you can kind of curl the ends. And I have a specific video going into more details about how to curl it. But what you do is you just take scissors and pull. And it gives it a nice little curl. Okay, just like that. And of course I can't do the same with the silver because it is wire edged, but I can still manipulate it. So what I'm going to do, and you could curl it around something, like if you have a tube or something like that, but it only takes a second to do. So just like that. I just kind of bend it into the shape of a curl. You just play around with it until you get it exactly the way you want it. Just like this. So cute and precious. Again, you can keep it straight if you choose to do so. It's completely up to you. But I think this is just so cute, fun, and it's perfect for the new year.